Hi. Is that Captain Sparkles? Captain Sparkles now? Oh my god. Oh, it's just Pro Gamer. Thanks for ruining it. Should I press F5 or no? Okay, I don't know where to go, so I'm just gonna follow these guys. So I guess you can't jump. Ah. Oh, first time. Yeah. 5B. Ooh. Okay, let me just make it clear that it took me 3 games to finally make it to one of these thingies. Oh yeah. I'm going pro. Oh. What? No way did I win the game. Are you serious? No way. No way. Okay, no, that did not happen. And I just got the hiccups again. Well, I guess thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video and my crazy win. Yeah, I'm so good at the game. I'm the best guy at, what's the game name again? F5 mode. Oh. And if you guys thought this video was good, go to Mineplex. And oh my god, the hiccups are real. If you like the game, go to Mineplex and go check out Better Monster Maze, and you can play it for yourself. For now, we're doing signing out.